day 5. We're up bright and early, going to eat breakfast at the buffet, and then we're headed to the lobby to be picked up by our shuttle for our tour, the Mega Combo Tour, and it should encompass like everything in one day, so it should be awesome. And then tomorrow we check out at I think 8 or 8:30. I think our flight's like 12 or 12:30. We have like a 4.5 hour layover in Houston, which sucks. Tomorrow's gonna suck, but today should be awesome. All right, just finished breakfast. Headed up to the lobby now to catch the shuttle for the tour. Hopefully I can catch a shuttle to the shuttle, because it's kind of far. All right, we're up here in the lobby, so we're just waiting for our bus, and then I guess we're gonna load up. Upside down? Why? What did I just agree to? Okay, so right now I'm climbing to the top of a 420-meter water slide. So this should be badass. Elbows inside and cross your legs. Woo! 420 meters of water slide, yo! Woo! It's worth the walk! Oh, speed bumps! Speed bumps! Oh, it was amazing. All right, water sled done. Time for lunch. All right, just finished lunch. I think it's horseback riding, and then waterfall hiking, and then back to the resort. I don't know. Today's my last day here. We leave tomorrow morning. So this is the end of the end right here. We check out at 8:30 tomorrow. Our flight leaves at 12:30. Haggard ass. Broken shit. I think it's like 3 hours to Houston. 3.5 hours from here to Houston. Then in Houston, I have a 4.5 hour layover. Fuck, that sucks, dude. Finally back at the hotel. Today we did this crazy combo. They called it the Mega Combo Tour. And it was ziplining. It was a natural water slide through the rainforest. It was horseback riding. And it was a waterfall hike. And then we also got to sample some local foods and drinks. And then they fed us lunch. And and the hot springs. I didn't get in the hot springs, so I was tired and I didn't feel like changing and shit again. Because it was like, hot springs was the last thing we did, but they had like a mud bath, hot springs kind of thing going on, and that was pretty cool. Put in an order for room service. It's going to take an hour to an hour and 15. It's raining tonight, so everybody's like, oh, we'll just get room service. Been a good trip, though. Definitely had a lot of fun. I only have one regret, and that is not renting a motorcycle. I don't really regret pretty much anything else about this trip. So, yeah, food should be here soon. Then I'm going to chow down, and then I don't know, watch some Netflix or something and just kind of hang loose tonight. Maybe I'll go get drunk. I don't know. We'll see what's up.